Marie's cooking vlog, yeah! Hello everybody, I am Marie and today I will show you how to cook some omelets like that some days. So first you gather your items. So first you open your fridge and think about what you want. So since we're making omelets, you get your eggs, then you put that somewhere to get ready for future steps. Then you get your cheese and you also put that there too. Then you get some margarine, it seems, some that, and then you get some tomatoes. Put that somewhere else next to your cutting board, and then you close your fridge. Then you put your pan, oh, not like that, on your stove. Now to prepare your food for the omelets. So with your cutting board right there that you have, you take your great cutting board and you just put your tomatoes onto it. Tomatoes bring a great amount of acidity to your omelets that are needed to make it taste delicious. So as you take your omelets out, you put it onto the cutting board and you cut and dice all of your tomatoes, and so it should look like that. Then you take your great golden yolks, eggs, and from BC, which are free range and organic. I recommend these, they're very good. Yep, okay. So you take those and you put that to a place where you would like to crack your eggs. So I took it to a different place. Unfortunately, there was something there, so you must always keep your counters clean when cooking, because it will be a cooking hazard if you have other stuff on it. So now that is clean, I will start to crack my eggs. So I take a bowl and I take 3 eggs and put it into a bowl and I get ready to crack. So after I crack them, I stir them for approximately 1 minute. Now, as I speed up the process, I drop the fork and take some salt, because salt brings more of a better taste to your omelets in the future. So I put that down, and now to cook. So you must first get your pan and put it on to medium heat. Medium heat is important because it makes the eggs be more light and fluffy, or else, because you don't want to burn your omelets. That's not what omelets are. So then you take your butter or margarine and you put it onto the pan. And then once you put it onto the pan, you just put a thin layer of margarine all over your pan, just like that. And then once you're ready and your pan is warmed up, you just put a thin layer of your eggs onto the pan. You don't want to put a thick layer, because a thick layer will end up having a thick omelet, and you don't like thick omelets. You want a light, fluffy omelet. And if you don't have a light, fluffy omelet, then what even are you doing? That's not a good omelet. So then, also, don't be afraid to just be patient. It doesn't take that long to make an omelet, and if you're patient, then life's all good. Anywho, so then, once it's been a little bit, and you can see that there's a thin layer of egg left, you put your ingredients on. For this, there's just tomatoes and cheese. So you put that on. So yeah, that's me. Well, please. Anywho, so then, once you put your ingredients onto your egg, you get ready to be able to scoop underneath the edges of your omelet, and you get ready to fold. This, you have to make sure to be very delicate with this step, because it can be very easy to break such a thin layer of egg. But it'll be worth it in the end. In the egg, yeah. It'll be worth it in the end, folks. And you won't. Yep, be like that. Okay. So then, then you fold the edges, and yeah, that's what I'm doing right now. And then you're gonna be ready for a really, really nice egg. Trust me on that. You see how lightly and delicately I do it? That is a good fold right there. You can see in a few seconds, I look very happy about that fold right there. See? You're about to see it. Yeah, that's me. So yeah, that's it. that's it, folks. Now you're done. Woohoo. So, yeah, it's been a great time just showing you how to make a good omelet, and I really hope this helps you. So, yeah. Woohoo. I hope you enjoyed this, Miss Gruber. Woohoo. Marie's cooking vlog, yeah!